Think your job is dangerous? Meet the high-voltage linemen who maintain the backbone of our power grid. These aren't just climbers, they're specialized technicians who spend their days hundreds of feet in the air, often working on live transmission lines. Today, we're getting an exclusive look at the intense, high-stakes mechanical work required to maintain these massive towers. It's not just about the climb, it's about the precision required to keep our modern world powered. You're seeing the installation and inspection of massive suspension insulators. Look at the gear. These workers rely on heavy-duty chain hoists and mechanical tensioners to secure these cables. Every single bolt, clamp, and tension setting has to be perfect. One small mistake here doesn't just mean a job delay. It could lead to a massive power outage for thousands, or worse, a life-threatening accident. It requires nerves of steel and 100% focus at all times. What you're seeing right now is a process that requires immense physical strength. Handling these heavy steel frames while suspended in a harness with nothing but open air and wind around you takes a toll. It's exhausting, repetitive, and requires a level of mental discipline that very few possess. This isn't just work, it's a commitment to safety and the infrastructure we all rely on every day. As you watch these linemen work, take a second to appreciate the sheer complexity of it all. They are the invisible workers that ensure your home has heat, your office has power, and our hospitals have electricity. It's a thankless job, but it's essential to the world we live in. If you found this look at the power grid as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most extreme professions. And let me know in the comments, could you ever handle this job, or are you definitely afraid of heights?